Ayan, tingnan ito. Yung supermarket ng Siomart, Hypermart. Nakita niyo po yan. Anything you want. Everything is here, boys. Ayan. Yan po, lahat ng kailangan yun, dito po, yan, sabon-sabon, lahat ng household things. Nandito lahat ng gusto nyo, kaibigan. Nakita nyo po. Kita nyo po. Lahat ng kailangan yun, dito po. Kitchen, toilet, or something, everything you need in the household is over here. Dito lahat po, dito lahat. Maglalakad lang po tayo. Lahat ng disposable po dito. Lahat ng klaseng groceries. Everything is here, boys. All the drinks, global flavor. Yan po. Lasing alak. San Miguel Lights, Coca-Cola, cooking can. You name it, you name it. Big is the boss, mga boss. Too big, too big. So all the sauces, the also ketchup and everything. So that's gonna be dito po lahat. Dito kailangan niya po. Ano kaibigan? Dito lang ulit. Maling. Hanggang dito lang ulit at magandang gabi sa ating lahat po.